Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the earbuds discoverable. That's essential because devices won't see them otherwise. Charge both the case and earbuds for at least 30 minutes so battery levels don't interrupt pairing. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your device and open the case. Press and hold the multifunction button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts the earbuds into pairing mode, which you need before connecting to your phone or computer. After the earbuds are discoverable, you select the JLab model in your device's Bluetooth list. Tap to pair and accept any prompts. Once connected, make sure each earbud sits comfortably, fit effects bass and call quality, then play a short clip to verify stereo balance and volume levels. If your device supports AAC or aptX, enable it in audio settings for improved fidelity. Finally, customize touch controls in the JLab app. To finish, you should close the case after each use so the earbuds power off and conserve battery. If you encounter connection drops, reset both earbuds by holding their buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds, then repair. This clears common pairing conflicts. Make sure firmware is up to date in the JLab app because updates resolve stability issues and add features. If problems persist, check the device Bluetooth cache and try pairing with another device to isolate whether the earbuds or the phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.